Making delicious smoothies at home can be a real challenge if you don't have the right blender. Some just aren't powerful enough, and you end up with chunks of fruit or a weird texture that's not so great. But the good news is, now there are some awesome options built specifically to give you smooth, perfect blends in just seconds. It really makes everything so much easier. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best smoothie blenders available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these blenders, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the NUTRIBULLET 600 blender, a great pick for anyone looking to eat healthier without making things complicated. This compact blender packs 600 watts of power, which is perfect for turning ingredients like strawberries, bananas, or spinach into smooth, nutrient-rich drinks in just a few seconds. No chunks, no weird textures, just a creamy blend every time. One of its best features is the simple no-fuss design. There are no buttons or confusing settings to figure out. You just press down, twist, and blend. That's it. It's super convenient for busy mornings or quick snacks. It also comes with a stainless steel extractor blade that breaks down seeds, skins, and tough fibers, so your smoothies come out silky and easy to digest. You really get the most out of every fruit and veggie. The NUTRIBULLET 600 includes 2 cups, one 24-ounce and one 18-ounce, plus a to-go lid and a comfort lip ring, making it easy to blend your drink and take it with you. No need to pour into another container. All parts are made from durable, BPA-free materials, so you can count on both safety and long-lasting use. If you're tight on space, you'll love the compact size, about 5.5 inches wide and 8 inches tall, so it fits perfectly in small kitchens or apartments. Cleaning is super easy too. Just rinse the blades with soap and water and pop the cups on the top rack of your dishwasher. It's ready for your next smoothie in no time. The blender is powerful, user-friendly, and designed to make healthy living simple, whether you're at home or on the go. Next up, we have the Ninja BN301 blender. A fantastic choice for anyone looking to make quick, healthy smoothies at home without the hassle. With a powerful 900-watt motor, this blender handles ice, fruits, and veggies with ease. You don't need to stop and stir. It gives you a smooth, consistent blend in seconds, making your mornings a whole lot easier. One of its key features is the Pro Extractor blades, made from durable stainless steel. These blades are built to crush tough ingredients and break down everything from seeds to ice, unlocking all the nutrients in your food without leaving chunks behind. What makes it even more convenient is that you can blend right in the 20-ounce personal cups. That means less mess and fewer dishes to wash. Just blend, pop on the lid, and you're ready to take your drink to go. The system is super simple to use. No buttons or confusing controls. Just press the cup down to start blending. It's perfect for anyone who wants speed and simplicity without sacrificing quality. It includes 3 travel cups, 2 sip and seal lids, and 1 storage lid, giving you plenty of options to prep smoothies in advance or share them with others. Its compact size, about 4.7 inches wide and 13.8 inches tall, fits neatly into any kitchen space, no matter how small. Plus, the sleek design looks great on any countertop. And when you're done, cleanup is a breeze. The blades rinse clean with soap and water, and the cups and lids are all dishwasher safe, saving you even more time. If you're after something that's powerful, convenient, and easy to clean, the Ninja BN301 is a smart and reliable pick for staying healthy on a busy schedule. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the MUELLER PB 2200 blender, a compact and powerful option that's perfect for anyone looking to make smoothies, juices, and more without any fuss. This blender is built to handle both fresh and frozen ingredients with ease, giving you smooth, nutrient-packed blends in just seconds. It comes with a portable mixing cup that makes healthy living super convenient. The cup is made from food-grade, BPA-free ABS plastic, holds about 16 ounces, and features a special lid that lets you blend and drink from the same container, cutting down on cleanup and saving storage space. Its one-touch blending system keeps things simple. Just press the button and you're ready to make everything from smoothies and salad dressings to baby food. While there are larger and more expensive blenders out there, this one delivers great performance without the extra cost or complexity. One of the highlights of this blender is its 4 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades. They're strong enough to crush ice and break down fruits and vegetables fast, giving you a consistently smooth texture every time. What also stands out is the excellent customer support that Mueller offers. They provide 24/7 live phone assistance, so if you ever run into an issue or need help, someone's always there to guide you. If you're looking for something that's efficient, reliable, and easy to use, the blender is a great choice. It fits into any kitchen setup and makes it easier than ever to stick to a healthy routine. Whether you're starting your day with a smoothie or blending up a quick snack, this blender is ready when you are. Now let's move on to the GANIZA 900 blender, a powerful and versatile choice if you're looking to make smoothies at home quickly and easily. With a 900-watt motor and turbocharged copper engine, this blender reaches up to 25,000 RPM, crushing tough ingredients like nuts, seeds, and frozen fruits without any effort. It's super easy to use. Just load your ingredients, press down, and let it do its thing. One of the biggest advantages is its multi-function design. It comes with 6 stainless steel blades, which makes it perfect not only for smoothies, but also for juices, sauces, baby food, jams, and more. It even has the strength to crush ice and grind coffee beans or spices, thanks to its strong cyclonic action. Safety is also a priority with this model. It only operates when the cup is securely locked into place, and it has a cooling fan on the bottom to prevent overheating during long uses. Plus, it features non-slip pads to keep everything stable while blending. This blender is a 15-in-1 combo packed with multiple portable and grinding cups, sealing lids, gasket rings, and even a recipe guide to help you get started right away. Worried about cleanup? No problem. You can either use the self-cleaning feature, just add warm water and a drop of soap, or pop most of the parts into the dishwasher, just keep the motor base out. The blender is a solid pick for anyone who wants power, convenience, and flexibility in their daily kitchen routine. Whether you're blending, grinding, or mixing, this blender has got you covered. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, let's take a look at the NUTRIBULLET 1200 blender, a great pick if you're after power, flexibility, and ease of use all in one. With a 1200-watt motor, this blender packs enough strength to whip up creamy smoothies, hearty soups, delicious sauces, and even homemade nut butters. The best part? It does it all in just a few seconds, no hassle at all. It comes with a 1.9-quart pitcher, perfect for making multiple servings at once, and also includes 2 personal cups, one 30-ounce and one 24-ounce. So you can blend and take your drink on the go. You get 3 speed settings, a pulse function, and a special extract program that adjusts to whatever you're blending. Whether it's something thick, light, or super smooth, all it takes is the press of a button to get it just right. The Easy Twist stainless steel blade is designed to create a strong cyclonic action, which helps break down tough ingredients like ice or seeds while making sure you get the most nutrients from your fruits and veggies. All the containers are made from durable, BPA-free plastic, so they're safe for food and built to handle everyday use without wearing out. It also has a compact, vertical design measuring around 7.75 inches long, 8 inches wide, and 17 inches tall, which makes it easy to store without taking up much space on your counter. So if you're looking for a powerful yet convenient blender that fits into a healthy, active lifestyle, the NUTRIBULLET 1200 is a solid choice you'll definitely want to consider. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect smoothie blender, or if there's another blender you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.